Good morning. Actually, no, good afternoon. And today we are going to go surfing on the North Shore. I don't know why, but it's actually storming. Plus, there's a big fat hurricane that just passed out the Big Island. And we got more storms coming. And today's a Sunday. So let's go get it. I actually left my board in the back of the truck from yesterday. So lazy to put it away. And here I am going back up. Right now, surf forecast is 2 to 3 North Shore. Probably Laniakea or Chun's the only surfable spots right now, even though it looks very choppy and windy. And it is very rainy here, as always, in Oahu. Might be crazy going out to surf during a hurricane, but usually I always do. Sunday with the hurricane coming through. Let's see. As you can see, the weather is very sunny. No, I'm just kidding, it's hella raining. The usual rainy weather we have here in Hawaii all the time. For a favorable election for me. Really small. That's why I'm on. As you can see, the skies behind me is partly cloudy with scattered clouds. That's your hurricane. Here's the island. We have another storm. I think we need a hurricane. Clean up the entire state.
1, 2, like you wanna. Okay, now have you ever been with a player? Take you downtown where they treat me like the mayor. Take you to the crib where you take it upstairs.
What's upstairs?
Shit, I'ma show you later. Don't need a spatula, everything catered. Extra flavor. Go ahead, sprinkle some truffle on your mashed potatoes. I'm tryna love you. Is you gon' love me back? You only get what you give. Ain't you heard of that? Look here, I don't ask for much. You know what I want. I just want what's fair.
Somebody this fly.
electronic smooth like a mat. Float like a butterfly on every single track. And the only language that I speak, girl, is back. So once I give this game to you, I can't take it back. Hollering at you from a 1977 Monte Carlo. Hard act to follow. It's showtime, trying to boo you up like it's the Apollo. Your walk is vicious. Let's get down to business. You and me together.